Okay, children, now we are going to make an electric motor.
Wow, I'm really interested in making a motor.
Good. Have you seen an electric motor?
Yes, I have seen it at home.
Good. Then you must have noticed the danger mark and the 440 volts written next to it.
Yes, sir. But what does that mean?
V stands for voltage. More voltage means more electrical current. So, we can say that electricity is measured in volts.
Oh, now we understand, sir.
Good. Now listen carefully. There are two types of electric currents. Alternating current, which is called AC, and direct current, which is called DC. Alternating current changes direction after a certain period. If you look at the diagram of alternating current, you will see that the flow of current looks like a wave. This type of current can be found in our homes and offices. Direct current, however, does not change direction and flows in a straight line. So, if you look at a diagram of direct current, you will see that it looks like a straight line. This type of current comes from batteries, solar cells, and so on. Do you understand this, children?
Yes, sir. We understand it clearly now. Thank you.
Good. Now, let's make a DC motor. The DC motor uses electricity and magnetic field to produce a rotational motion. It requires two magnets of opposite polarity and a copper coil which acts like an electromagnet. The repellent and attractive electromagnetic forces of the magnets provide the rotational motion that causes the motor to turn.
Can we really make a motor, Mr. Scientist?
Yes, why not? We need a 1.5 volts battery, a strong bar magnet, two safety pins, a rubber band, and an insulated copper coil. Now, we will learn how to create the essential materials required to perform this experiment. Take a copper wire and roll it 10 times around the battery. Cut the wire using a pliers as shown. Ensure the other end of the wire remains long enough before you cut it. Now, remove the wire from the battery and fold it as shown in the video. Remove the copper enamel using a cutter to make sure that the electrical contact is made easily. Note, the following act should be performed by parents or guardians to prevent kids getting injured by the cutter. This way, we are ready with the material required for the experiment. Now, watch how we make the motor. Take a 1.5 volt battery. Now, put a rubber band onto the battery so that it covers the poles. Once this is done, hook two safety pins into the rubber band, one on the negative side and the other on the positive side. Make sure the bottom part of the pins should be on the outer side. The rubber band will hold them together with the battery. Next, we have to place a bar magnet on the battery like this. Now, insert the insulated copper coil into the safety pins like this. And your electric motor is ready.
Wow! We have made a real motor today! Yes, Neil! Thank you for teaching us, Mr. Scientist.
You are most welcome, children.